Southeast Texas, big changes on the way. Cold front on the way, first one of the season. It's got a punch to it too. We'll show you that, talk all about it coming up here in the video here, but certainly cold weather on the way. The front will be moving through this evening. So your weather headlines, windy and much colder weather expected overnight tonight throughout the day tomorrow. In fact, we'll see falling temperatures throughout your Monday. We'll start out in the mid to upper 50s, but we'll drop to near 50 by late in the day. Wind chills in the low 30s by Wednesday morning, bundling up there, and it could be close to freezing Thursday morning, depending on some high clouds, even here in the Triangle. A few showers will be possible with a front tonight too, and we'll just have periods of light rain, it looks like, later tonight throughout the day tomorrow. It's just a miserable day coming up. We do need the rain at 60% coverage. Most areas should stay, I'd say a quarter, maybe a half an inch in a few spots. Halloween looks good. That 20% is only around daybreak. Then we'll clear out late in the day, and it looks dry after that. Let's take a look at those wind gusts behind our cold front coming up beginning at midnight tonight. Notice out of the north, there's the front moving offshore around 7, 8 o'clock this evening. How windy throughout the morning. In fact, a wind advisory in effect for all of Southeast Texas coming up. So a cloudy, cold, wet, windy day coming up for your Monday into Tuesday as well. Some of these wind gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour, so not very good there. Wind chills behind the front. It's going to feel like the low to mid 30s coming up Wednesday morning. So bottom line is the next few mornings going to have that coat, that's for sure. Feel like 34 in the Triangle. It's going to feel like close to freezing Wednesday morning. And don't forget, Thursday morning we'll have less wind. It should be mostly clear. That's when actual air temperatures should be pretty close to freezing themselves at that time. Let's take a look at futurecast throughout the evening. There's the front moving in around 7, 8, maybe 8:30 this evening. A few showers developing along that. So we will see a chance of rain overnight tonight as well. The big question though, or not question, the big problem is the winds, but we'll have some showers kind of overrunning the front overnight as well. Should be mainly light stuff. Temperatures, notice at 5 o'clock in the morning, lower 50s. They're not going to warm tomorrow. If anything, they're going to drop throughout the day. In fact, notice these temperatures, 7 a.m. down to 51, down to 50 at 9 o'clock in the morning. May warm up a degree or two, but I'm thinking by late in the day, we're falling back to the upper 40s, especially around 4, 5, 6 o'clock. See that showing up in the lakes with some on and off occasional light rain across parts of the area. You saw that 49 there in the Triangle by 7 p.m. Not a good marine forecast at all. In fact, a gale warning in effect of seas up to 8 feet. Not good. So don't plan on any fishing offshore tomorrow. Water temperature for now at 78, seas up to 8 feet, north winds up to about 30 knots. Tonight, periods of light rain turning colder throughout the night. In fact, it'll be near 50 in the morning in the lakes area, 52 across the central and inland portions of Southeast Texas. In the Triangle, a few on and off light rain showers, windy overnight, 54 below. And that's tomorrow morning. We'll start out in the 50s, but notice what happens as we head throughout the day tomorrow. Temperatures actually drop in the Triangle to the upper 40s by late in the day. It's not going to be in the 40s all day, even though it'll feel like it, but 49 the high temperature tomorrow, which will occur late in the day. Falling temperatures inland Southeast Texas as well as the lakes. In fact, it'll fall to the mid 40s by mid to late afternoon tomorrow for the lakes area, and a chance of rain as well. It shouldn't be nothing real heavy, mainly just that miserable light to moderate rain across the area. Halloween, not too bad. Chilly start though in the 40s, only 57 for the high. Will clear out in the late afternoon into Tuesday night. Lots of sun for the middle end of the week. Well, we're talking cold too, 38 with that wind chill in the low 30s Wednesday morning. No wind Thursday morning, but notice we're down to 34, even the Triangle, so some scattered frost will be likely as well, even in the Triangle. And a slow warm up Friday into next week. In fact, back to near 80 a week from today, and very little, if any, chance of rain after tonight and Monday. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, like us on Twitter, and anything weather 24 hours a day. Be sure to log on to 12newsnow.com.